So, if your Rheem marathon water heater isn't heating properly, running out of hot water too fast, or acting inconsistent, it's usually not a major failure. It's a setup component or power related issue. These units are built to be durable, but like any system, they rely on proper electrical supply, thermostat settings, and internal components working together. When something goes slightly off, performance drops quickly. The good part is most common problems can be identified and fixed without replacing the entire unit. The point is checking the right areas in the right order. Let's break it down step by step. Try these. 1. Check the power supply and ensure the breaker is not tripped. 2. Inspect thermostat settings and adjust to the desired temperature. Number 3. Reset the unit using the built-in reset button if available. Number 4. Look for signs of sediment buildup or restricted water flow. 5. Inspect heating elements for possible faults or wear. 6. Test hot water output and confirm normal operation.